trend means looking at your company and looking at what content did we create before, right? So I focus on B2B, so we look at white papers, PDFs, Marcom materials, right? And pulling all that data in to digitize it and make it shareable. So original content is critical. I know I've beaten this like a dead horse, but it's really, really important. Why? Because companies that blog are indexed 434% higher than ones that don't. I mean, give me a break, right? You need to blog, you need to have original content, you need to have thought leaders. That's why, like Sean and these guys, we're talking about influencers today, right? Because people want to hear a voice that's interesting. People want original content that solidifies this company's an expert in X, Y, and Z, okay? So this is just a quick example of content on my site that has to do with LinkedIn, because I do LinkedIn training like every other day. So it's just an example, you know, of I don't just go and do a LinkedIn class. I do a press release, right? I do a multi-author blog. I'll do a recap, right? I'll pull it. There's a million things that I do in a laundry list like this, right? With content marketing.